weird. Who could have eaten all the gummy bears?
Sue! I saw the coolest video ever and it made me so hungry! They made a huge gummy bear out of a regular one.
Oh, that's right. Why don't we repeat that?
Well, we can't, because we have no bears left, duh!
Wouldn't this one fit our little experiment?
Sue, you're a genius. Go get your lab coat.
No need.
Oh, I can't wait to get started. And if it works, we'll make me grow. Oh, I've always wanted to get bigger. Everyone would be amazed if I really did that.
Shall we get to work? All right, little gummy bear. Don't worry. You will like this experiment.
If we want to grow my gummy bear, we will need to water it. I got this.
Hey, it's not a plant.
Look, what's that over there?
Oh.
Works every time.
Hey, where did it go?
Did she really think I'd let her have my precious? No way! This is the last gummy bear. What have you done?
Sammy, it will all be okay, I promise.
Yeah, right! I'd rather eat a small gummy bear than lose it all together.
But I promise, this trick works.
Okay, but I still don't trust it completely. I'll be supervising the whole process.
Be my guest.
Ooh, the water is so nice. Do you think I will turn big now, Sue?
I don't think so. You're not a gummy bear.
Well, actually, be right back. Look, on my great-grandmother's side, there were gummies.
Okay, let's keep going.
Yay! Oh, no. I didn't mean to do that.
It's okay, Sammy. We need all this salt anyway.
I will save my distant cousin. I will dig you out, buddy. Hold on there.
Oh, Sammy, he looks totally fine.
Really? Let me see. Hey, what?
We need to cool this down.
Now what? Wait for a few minutes?
More like for a few hours, Sam.
What? That's too long. What shall I do? Hey, Susie. Are you sure it's not ready yet?
I'm sure.
This is taking too long. I hate waiting. What should I do? Maybe I could have painted walls in the meantime? Or I could have gone fishing. Not a nibble. Or I could have been on a date, telling that girl about my amazing adventures in the mounts of Tibidaba.
Wow.
Yeah, that would be great. Huh? No romance. I'd rather do some origami. Hey, what is this? A butterfly? I'm confused. So how much time is it? What? Sue, we've got a problem. The clock is broken. Huh? What? What's going on? What was that sound?
Our giant gummy bear is ready.
Finally! Oh, this is so exciting. That's much better. Now I look fit for the occasion. Sue, I'm ready.
And what's with the flowers?
Oh, they are for my gummy brother, of course.
Well, here he is.
Are you kidding me? He doesn't look big enough, Sue. I thought he would be giant. But he's actually smaller than me. Look for yourself. No, this won't do.
Okay, I can use my magic to work him up a bit. Bibbidi-bobbidi-boo. Well, that's something else, right? What do you say, Sammy?
He looks better, but I wanted something even bigger.
Like a gummy worm?
Seriously? Can we really do that? Did I get that right? You're talking about these?
Yup, check this out.
Nope, we need it to be bigger, Sue.
No problem.
Let me see. Go bigger. Ouch! Oops. Oh no, what have you done?
Yeah, you're right. It was a bad joke. I'll make it up to you.
Like I would ever give you these babies.
Where is that thing?
Look, Sue, I'm an elephant.
There it is, the casting mold for our gummy worm.
Whoa, that's what I call a good-sized gummy.
Now we need a couple of balloons to close it from both ends.
Now you're talking.
Sammy, it's not a snake.
Yeah, right. It's a worm, and it's kinda broken. Here, let me help you.
No, Sammy, I cut it on purpose. Through this cut, we'll fill our mold.
I see.
But you could cut out some circles for me. We'll use them as separators.
All right. Check out my cutting superpower.
Wow, great job, Sam. These will fit perfectly.
But why do we need them at all?
So that the colors didn't blend.
Oh, I can't believe that my dream is gonna come true. I'll have a giant gummy worm and it will be colorful.
But first, we need to prepare the mixture for the gummy.
Wait. Can't we just melt these and get the mixture?
We could, but I'd rather make it from scratch.
Alrighty, let's do that. I've got some sweet soda here. This will make our worm tasty.
Good thinking, Sammy. Thanks.
Ha! You bet. I'm ready to help you with the next step, too. What was that? Some painting, huh?
Yeah, but we don't need this. Our worm is supposed to be edible, right? So we will use some food coloring.
Whoa! I think we're good to go now.
I agree.
Oh, I can't wait to see the result. Friends, if you'd like to taste the giant gummy worm, give us a thumbs up, and I will go and stir that magical mixture. Oh, yeah! Oh, I'm so good at this.
We need the gelatin to absorb the soda.
Waiting? Not again.
And this is high time to add food coloring.
Ah, great! Let me deal with this portion, please. Hey, that's not the color that I wanted.
Relax, Sammy. We just need to mix it well. See? This is much better. And now, let's carefully fill the whole thing up.
Please don't say that we will have to wait again! Ugh. This is impossible. I'm tired of waiting. Oh, is that it? Please tell me this is it.
No, it's just the sign that we're ready for the fridge.
I'm freeing up space for our worm.
Oh, Sammy.
So I'm guessing. Some more waiting, huh? Oh, wait. Is that the worm constellation? So relaxing and warm. Warm? Uh-oh. I forgot I might melt. Uh-huh. This goes here, and then there. Does it mean many worms are just one but big? Oh, yeah. Very interesting. Ugh. So, how is it going back there, Sue? Not ready, huh? Fine.
Actually, I think it's done, Sammy.
What, really? Yay! Let's get it out then.
I'm already on it.
Yay! Sue, this is amazing. I can't believe it really worked out.
So who's ready for a bite?
Hey, you can't eat my worm. It's not for eating. It's too pretty. It's my pet now. Let's get you out of here, Wormy.
That was unexpected. Anyway, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, friends.
And don't forget to hit that bell button.
Sammy, what is that on your face? Did you eat our giant gummy worm without me?
I have no idea what you're talking about. Please subscribe, friends, and see ya.
What could be better than tea with some honey? What? Where did all the honey go?
I took it. Hey, Susie!
What's with the outfit?
This is a beekeeper's hazmat suit. I'm headed to the backyard where we're going to have an apiary.
Well then, what is all this for?
How? I'll quickly put up a hive or two. Put honey as bait and the bees will come.
Sammy, no one builds up an apiary from some improvised props. It's a whole science.
Really? How come I didn't think of that? Then, we need to urgently study this issue. You will help me, right?
Only if you help me make something sweet to have tea with. Come on!
Done deal!
Hi guys! I hope you're in the mood for a cake today.
Oh yeah, Susie, I'm ready. Tell me what you need. Some flour for starters?
Actually, we won't be baking today at all.
Huh?
Would you try and guess what I have here?
Let me see. I think it is... Shiver me cheddars! Is it jelly powder?
It is! We're going to make an all-Jello tasty cake inspired by your new bee hobby. But first things first, we need to properly dissolve our jelly powder in hot water.
Holy cannoli! My mouth is already watering.
Be patient, Sammy, and you guys get ready to work out your wrist. Stir, stir. Working with Jello can be kinda tricky, but the result is totally worth your efforts.
Right! Remember our aquarium jelly cake with fish and pebbles made of Jello? It was so fun!
All right, guys, our mixture is ready. Don't forget to add some sugar to it, or your cake won't be sweet. Now let's divide it into smaller portions so that it would be more comfortable to color it.
Oh, that's my favorite moment!
I said that we should color our Jello!
Oopsie! Sorry, Sue. I got distracted a bit. Here you go.
Thank you! Sammy, I thought you were going to study bees closely while we're cooking.
And I've already started. Want to know some fun facts?
Sure, bring it on!
Let me just change my outfit. Let's get started. The science that studies honeybees is called apiology. And people have been breeding these fantastic creatures for thousands of years.
Bees have 5 tiny eyes, yet somehow they can't distinguish the red color.
They also have an ear for music and buzz differently depending on their mood. Hey, Sue, guess what I'm saying? Buzz, 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 buzz.
Are you trying to find out what is going to be next?
Bingo! I mean, buzzingo!
Well, we are gonna need this! Let's pour our colorful Jello inside a syringe like this. As you might have guessed, we'll use different syringes for each color, guys. Here we go.
Uh-oh, I see where this is going. Hide, everyone! Whoa!
Calm down, Sammy. We're simply gonna use our syringes to make cute little Jello bees with the help of this mold.
Holy cannoli! Those mold producers can make anything from silicone, huh?
Let's start with the white Jello to define the little wings first. Don't rush at this stage, guys. Work neatly. Next comes black color. Just don't forget that black bee stripes should alternate with the yellow ones.
Uh-huh, and the bee's head should also be black.
Okay, when the first batch of Jello sets a bit, we'll use some yellow to fill our bee up to the top, like this. It's not hard at all.
Guys, I'm not allowed to work with sharp objects, so why don't we watch together how Susie does that?
Now I'm gonna leave this in the fridge until the Jello becomes firm enough. I'll be right back.
Oh, a hot tub! Nothing can be better than relaxing in hot water.
Where are you heading to, mister?
Oopsie!
We need this to make more Jello.
But Sue, the bees are chilling in the fridge. Can't we also take a break?
Huh, I thought you'd rather have a cake. Whoosh! Guys, this Jello mixture is already familiar to you. We are going to make a few honeycombs now, so this time let's color it orange.
In order to get a rich orange color, you may dissolve your Jello powder in carrot juice.
Oh guys, look! Sammy-o Slimy-oni is here!
Well, of course. Who else would teach you to cut your Jello nicely? Everybody knows that honeycombs have a shape of a hexagon.
Do you mean like this?
Shiver me jaggers! I didn't know that we had such
I
a mold.
believe your alter ego missed this one.
I'd better go check those Jello bees in the fridge.
In the meantime, guys, let's fill our honeycombs up. Here we go. As always, try to work neatly. Oop! Now we'll get some more Jello into the syringe.
Wow, that looks so fun! Am I right, guys? Can I also try doing that, Susie?
You didn't have to ask.
Aha! Alrighty, and push. Oh, ha-ha, me like it! Actually, I can do that faster! Voila!
Well done, Sammy. Now could you please be so kind to take all this beauty to the fridge? And I'm dying to see how our little Jello bees turned out. Okay, let's see. We'll do this and… Guys, would you just look at these little cuties? They are adorable!
Let me see, let me see!
Whoa, guys, did you see that? Now we have a lot of bees here.
I didn't know that thing was magical. Thank you.
Well, Sammy, you'd better keep an eye on it, or we'll have jello bees everywhere.
Those look so delicious. If I could only try. Ta-da-ta-da.
Oh, come on, Sammy. Can't you wait just a little bit? We're at the finishing line already. Although I must admit, these tiny hexagons do look like real tasty honeycombs. Oh. Would you just look at all this?
Hurry up, Sue, while we are still able to keep ourselves together.
You're right. Let's get it done. Guys, this is pretty simple. We are going to place these pieces onto the bottom of a baking pan, trying to leave equal space between them. You should get something like this.
There is a big space left here. What will we do about that?
We can always make some adjustments. Hup! There you go. You see? Problem solved.
Here's the last one! Easy, easy. Okay, it's all done, Sue!
Excellent. Now guys, this is gonna be hot in here. We need to pour a huge portion of hot jello mixture all the way through the baking pan. Be very careful at this stage, or better ask an adult to help you.
That is quite an amount of Jell-O we are using today!
You don't say, Sammy.
Guys, give us a thumbs up if you like Jell-O as much as we do!
All right, all we've left to do now is wait a few hours until this cools down and sets. Or we could use some video editing magic. Whoosh! Let's see. Yup, perfect. For this, you should defo ask an adult to help you guys. Here we go. Huh? And basically our cake is ready.
Holy cannoli! It's perfect! Oh, I'm in heaven!
Let's not forget about the beehive's dwellers. Here you go, little one. Oh, you want to be on our cake too? Come on, guys, get in line.
Guys, let's give Susie a few seconds to play and then we'll check out our cake!
Sammy, this tea smells amazing. What is this?
That's my secret, honey! I meant to say slimy recipe, Sue! Better tell me one thing. Are we going to taste this or not,
Okay, my very impatient friend. Oh, guys, I wish you were here to see and taste all this.
Give me that!
There you go.
Yippee!
So, Sammy, tell me, where do you stand on that beehive in the backyard thing?
Nom, nom. Right now I'm standing next to this magnificent Jell-O cake and it's more than enough for me! Nom, nom.
I see. And thank Tibidaba for that. Guys, give us a thumbs up if you liked this episode and subscribe if this cake looks delicious to you.